The second issue is we want to earn the right to advance the sales process. Earning the right to advance the sales process is about manners, courtesy, propriety, and just understanding that while you're in control of the sales process through questioning, your job is still to ask permission. Would it be okay if I asked you a few questions about what's going on, inside of the total comfort system? Would it be okay with you if I spend a little time and explain to you what we're going to do today? That's the purpose, process, payoff statement. So earning the right to advance says, what it does is actually it screams that you are not going to take for granted that you have the right or are entitled to any information from a client. You're not. So what happens is there are adversarial customers. There are customers that are in the direct quadrant. There are customers that are agitated. They're unhappy. There's anxiety involved in this process. They didn't get up this morning and wish for a failed condenser fan motor at 115 degrees. So they're not in a good place. Because they're not in a good place, they may not be that friendly to you. So one of the things that we need to do is recognize that earning the right to advance says, I'm going to be deferential to you, I'm going to be professional, but I'm going to ask permission before I actually ask you questions. I'm going to ask permission before I delve into the details of what's going on. That's total comfort systems, that's budget, that's lifestyle, that's how you live in the home, it's everything.